Hi, my name is Prasad. Today's topic is creating new MVC application. So let's go to the Visual Studio, go to File, New Project, specify the folder wherever you wish to create your MVC application. I'm just going to the training. Okay, so provide the solution name over here. I'm just saying MVC test is my solution name, and I'm also providing the name of the project as MVC test. Okay, now select ASP.NET Web Application, click on OK. You can see the templates empty, web forms, MVC, web API, single page application. We are interested in MVC, so select MVC and go to the authentication. Select no authentication because we are not interested on any other authentications. Then click on OK. Now your MVC application is getting created. Let's wait for that. Okay, it's created. Just go to the Solution Explorer. So this is your solution. This is your MVC project. Okay, so always make your project thin. So delete unwanted files. So I'm deleting this. Go to the view and delete unwanted files. Go to the controller, even delete home controller. Okay, now your controllers folder is empty, models folder is empty, views folder is empty. Now let me create a controller. Now go to the controller, go to add, go to controller and select MVC5 controller. Click on add. Okay, name the controller. I'm naming it as home, and the controller keyword should be as it is, don't remove it. Click on add. Now home controller is being created and it is deriving from controller. By default you will get a action called index. So let's verify by returning a string from your controller action index. So I'm actually returning my name. Let's save it and run the application. So it's rendering. Yes, it's rendered. Prasad over here. So now instead of just returning a string and displaying only the string, we will actually display employee details. So for that we require a model first. So go to the models folder, create one model, name it as employee, click on add. So I'll create two properties, name and address over here. So return type is string, property name is name, and one more property, return type is string, property name is address. Okay, so now come to the home controller. We should actually use employee model here. For that we should add this namespace in the using statement. It is done. Now take your employee object. So I'm just creating an employee object now. I'm naming it as emp equals to new employee. So let me assign some data to this employee. See, currently I have only single object. You can also pass collection list of employees also. For the simplicity, I am passing only single employee object. So let me add my name, employee dot address equals to Bangalore. Okay. Now you have initialized and assigned name and address for your employee properties, but you should send this model to your view. How do you send it? So we have view data, view bag, temp data and session. I'm using view bag. Also you can use a strongly typed one view model. Currently I'm using view bag dot employee and just saying emp equals to employee object. Is this enough? No, you should actually return view here. So do we have a view for our controller? No, also we should change the return type as action result, and currently our views folder is empty. We just have a home folder under the views. So create a view, add view, remove this, use a layout page. We don't have any. So view name is index, template as empty without model. If it is a strongly typed, then we should select empty and the model class. Currently we are not using strongly typed. Let's select empty without model and click on add. This is your model. We don't have any layout. Let's delete that. Okay, and let's have a table format to display our employee. Now I have a table. Let me have a border as 1, and let me have a tr. In that, let me have a td. So here we'll have bold and make property as name, and these two are columns now. So let me add address here. Now I'll have one more tr. Here I should actually display employee name. So we are actually passing employee data from the controller using view bag. Okay, so first of all you should add this namespace even in the view actually. So you say this here. So because we require employee object also here, so we do that, and we'll take view bag data to the employee. So you write C# code like this, and I'm creating an employee object and assigning view bag dot emp data over here, and I will use that employee information here, name, and I'll have one more td emp dot address. So that's it. So run the application. Yes, name and address is getting displayed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.